So in this case, that means I need to be long in futures markets, right? The question is, how many contracts? Well, that's size of position, or let's do this. It's called negative size of natural position divided by the contract size. So in this case, my position is negative 20 million. Short is negative, right? Divided by 125,000. So I need to be, oh, there's no reason for negative. I need to be 160 contracts long because that's equivalent to 20 million euros. Suppose I did this yesterday. Let's look at the price graphics yesterday. So I'm going to pick a random point at which I enter the contract. Charts. Let's see. 30-minute intervals. So let's say I did it here. 116.60. That means I'm long. I basically promised to buy 20 million euros, and I promised to pay $1, $1.166 per euro. Okay, how much? There are two kinds of margins. One is called the initial margin, the amount that you have to post when you open a position. Let's assume that this is $4,000. To the margin account. That's $4,000 this per contract. But and by the way, that amount doesn't depend on whether you're short or long. So I need to put in $640,000 as collateral. Okay, that's my initial collateral. Remember, this is the position that I'm taking until September 15th. In the meantime, euro could go up or down. If it goes up, I'm long, I'm making money, so exchange doesn't have any problem. But if euro goes down, I'm losing money. And to cover its obligations, remember, exchange acts as an intermediary. Suppose I decided when the time comes, well, if I honor my commitment, I'm going to lose too much money. To hell with you. Somebody has to cover the other side, right? If the longs are losing money, shorts are making money. Exchange says, if you make money, I'm going to give you your money. Well, exchanges are not in the charity business, so they have to get that money somehow. And they don't want to be in the collection business either. So they get a collateral from you, and every day they make an adjustment to how much collateral you're going to have. Adjustments to margin are made daily. This is called the daily settlement using the settlement price. You can read the details on that long document. It's basically the average price during the last few minutes of a trading day. And margin accounts are adjusted daily, and if necessary, exchange makes margin calls, which means your collateral is too low, put it back up to the initial margin level. There's a margin level called maintenance margin. Currently, this is 2,900 for the euro contract. This is per contract. So minimum level, my margin account can be without a margin call is 2,900 times 160. So anytime at the end of the day when the daily settlement is done, my margin account is below the maintenance margin, then I get a margin call. It says it's too low, put it back up to the initial value, to 640. But if it is above, nothing. In fact, it could even go above the initial margin. If that happens, you can actually withdraw the excess. So let's see what happened at the end of yesterday. Yesterday, settlement price was 116,435. Remember, this is the price at which I what happened? Oh, that's the price at which I opened my position, and the settlement price is now this. As a long position holder, am I making money or losing money? I opened the position at 166, but it's now 16435. I'm losing because the price went down. Okay. So what's my P&L or daily P&L? It's settle price minus position open price times contract size times number of contracts, or let's call this position size. If you're short, position size is going to be negative. If you're long, it's going to be positive. Short positions have negative position size. So let's calculate our daily P&L now.